Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest technology with the 2024 new Elite Ultra HD Android TV box. This TV box boasts impressive features, including a voice control remote, 4GB RAM, and a whopping 128GB storage. The expedite shipping ensures you get your hands on it quickly. Inside the box, you'll find a keyboard remote and a 4K HDMI cable, making your setup a breeze. The Elite Smart Box offers dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, 2.4G 5G, guaranteeing a stable and speedy internet connection. Additionally, Ethernet and Bluetooth options provide versatile connectivity for your streaming media needs. Setting up the Elite 3 TV box is a walk in the park. All you need to do is connect the HDMI cable from the box to your TV and establish a Wi-Fi connection. The 4K and 6K resolution support promises a visual feast, perfect for enjoying your favorite shows and movies seamlessly. In terms of connectivity technology, this TV box operates on Wi-Fi, and the connector type is HDMI. The special feature includes a browser, and it supports popular internet services like Netflix, Google TV, and YouTube. If you're in the market for the best quality TV box, the Elite Android 12 is a solid choice. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.